After the incompletion, they go back up top.
Dude,
A shot toward the end zone.
Ain't no way, bro.
They move on top here
In football games, they turn into 5 to 15 to 20-yard gains just because of the body blow effect.
Throws for the tight end. Got it in the middle. It's
I knew it. Fucking knew he was gonna miss.
Got his man downfield.
Just run through that A gap.
Quarterback making checks.
Yeah, run through that A gap.
On the move. And he's loose. Back to throw. It's Underwood.
He's so nice.
And the ball's on the ground. Defense swarming on that.
I know what he want.
On third down, he'll try to pick it up through the air.
Good. He sucks because he had somebody open.
Last thing they needed.
All right now.
And they'll close in on him after the backfire if they don't convert on fourth down.
Ooh, he got that stun, bro.
Just short of the goal
That's
line.
watch zero on his cross.
Desperate to convert, and he'll throw it. Looking to the big tight end. Big tight end makes the grab. It's a after the incompletion, they go back up top. A shot toward the end zone.
Dude. Ain't no way, bro.